out there. So I think it's the N level, and we have Gerald, but I can't see him currently.
I'm here.
Okay, floor is yours.
So hopefully the sharing is working.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you for the introduction of N-level. Today we will discover how we generate multiple currents from one battery pack using our virtual battery system. Yeah, the key problem is that various of types of currents are needed for applications. Sometimes there are more than one application at the same time. From the chemical perspective, the current which is delivered from the battery, but it's only one. Today, each application needs its own solution to convert this current into the application current. For example, in cars, we have a 400 volt or 800 volt DC system, which is converted into a 12 volt DC system or converted into an AC system for the powertrain. To get the right currents from batteries, usually a lot of electronics is used also in the private sector. So we are facing a bunch of different chargers for static applications, and all the companies are time intensive.
And all the companies.
The companies are time intensive in developing these devices. We use batteries for all things we do all day, like mobile phones, mobile transportations, even vacuum cleaner contain batteries now. Or you use a vacuum cleaner while you're charging your EV. What happens if we can use an app to get the right current from a battery pack anytime we want, only per app? So no power electronic is used, there's no conversion, and you can get any type of current you want, use any type of battery, and even you can repair and upgrade the system while you're in operation. Customers are using the N-level system, for example, for uninterruptible power supply. They like reuse all their old batteries and scaling up the system, which is really easy scalable because you have a virtual layer in it. But how we do it? We have so many requests, and virtual battery is the general answer. So the virtual battery is the software layer on top of the batteries. So we adapt the chemical cells to your current. You do not need to care about the chemistry anymore. And how we are so fast in adapting, especially for multiple currents at the same time. So charging a mobile phone and driving a microwave, this is done by our patented N-level algorithm. Today, we are looking for investors and development partners to apply and adapt our technology. And now I'm open for Q&A questions.
Thank you for your, as you're perfectly on time, so exactly 4 minutes 00. So any questions to N level? There we go.
Yeah, from me, Christian Hoffmann. I would like to know if you are considering battery cooling as well.
We do thermal management by switching and directing the loads into dedicated cells. So it's active power sharing.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, any other question? In the meantime, I will share the link to Gerald so that you can contact him directly. Hold on. I shared him to the wrong person currently. Oops. Let's send it to everybody. Here we go. Here you go. There's a link. So that's a link to contact Gerald. So how long have you developed? One question from my side. How many time you spent to develop this? What you have done?
It was doing 10 years of theory, doing also diploma thesis, and then doing 5 years hardware setups and writing the patents now.
Okay. Is there any other company doing things like that?
Some companies are doing comparable things, which they call multi-level technology.
Okay. Is it used in automotive industry already? Something like that?
Porsche industry is going for multi-level now.
So it's an interesting technology then. Okay. Any other questions? If not, then we save some time. I have shared the link. Okay, Florian has also shared the link. So please connect to the people. Connect to the people to Rainer here, to Gerald here, and then get in contact with him directly if you want to become a development partner or invest.